In this video, we will review SiriusXM's fish mapping, fish recommendations information using a Lowrance display. Let's start by clicking on the chart icon on the home screen. Select Menu in the upper right corner of the screen or from the hard keys. On the next page, select Overlay from the choices shown. On the next list, select Fish Mapping. Then select Fish Mapping Options from the main menu. At this point, we suggest turning the legend on, as you will find it useful while viewing the fish mapping layers. Next, select View to display the primary fish mapping layers, and then select Fish Recommendations. At this point, you can choose up to 6 different types of fish species to be displayed simultaneously. When conditions are ideal for the selected species, a colored oval or circular shape will be displayed on screen corresponding to the species you've selected, as indicated by the legend on the left. In addition, if the cursor is placed on the oval, the species will be identified in the lower left corner. Recommendations are updated twice per week on Tuesday and Friday mornings. Note, these recommendations should be treated as a prediction or forecast and are not based on actual catch reports. Fishing recommendations use specific oceanographic data for each species. Oceanographers take into account water temperature, plankton concentrations, sea height, and bottom contours, to name a few. If these key data elements are not prominent enough in an area for the oceanographers to include a recommended species of fish, then a recommendation will not be displayed for that area. It is important to note that fishing recommendations are only provided when the data identifies very good conditions for the selected species. In general, areas with any fishing recommendations, regardless of the specific species shown, demonstrate locations that are much more likely to have bait fish and other key oceanographic features that attract game fish. If there are no fishing recommendations in your area at a particular time, that doesn't mean you should cancel your trip. If you don't see recommendations in the area where you want to fish, there are several other fish mapping features to help you find the best conditions in that area. We recommend that you overlay individual fish mapping features like plankton front strength and sea surface temperature front strength to determine the areas where fish are most likely to be found. Where several features point to the same area, you'll have a higher likelihood of locating game fish. For additional information and specific fish mapping feature videos, please visit our fish mapping website at SiriusXM.com/fishmapping. For videos specific to your brand of display, visit our marine video library at SiriusXM.com/marine library. And for even more about using SiriusXM Marine, visit our YouTube channel at youtube.com/SXM Marine. In addition, please visit us on our social media sites. And if you have a question, feedback, or would like to share a story, please email us at marine.support@SiriusXM.com. And if you have specific questions about your Lowrance hardware, please visit www.lowrance.com/contact-us. Thank you for watching.